Ralph Waldo Emerson said, "The reward of a thing well done is to have done it. Any recognition is just icing on the cake, not to be expected, but definitely to be enjoyed." Jack has earned this award because he is a leader in his profession and community. But you should know that he is a servant leader, which makes him a leader of the very best kind. Jack was born in New York on May 30th, 1946. He was 3 feet long and weighed 42 pounds. His family soon moved to Belleville, New Jersey, where he became close friends with Tony Soprano. Jack told me to tell you that. In 1964, Jack headed south to Clemson University as a veterinarian student. This lasted until Thanksgiving, when he withdrew from all 16 hours with a 0.00. Later that year, Jack's life changed when he met a beautiful co-ed from Columbia, Erica Helfer, who straightened him out and continues to do so to this day. After a semester's hiatus, Jack re-enrolled, ultimately graduating from Clemson University with honors. As is Jack's way, he gives all credit to Dean Walter Cox and Erica. He asked me to tell you that he gives absolutely no credit to his classmate, Dick Harpootlian. The following year, Jack was admitted into our law school and began what has become a distinguished, decorated, and famous/infamous career. In 1973, Jack graduated in the top 10% of his class at the law school, which he says is extremely uncommon for Clemson graduates. Knowing talent when he saw it, in 1973, Senator Isidore Lurie, Jack's earliest legal mentor, recruited Jack to join his firm. Over the next 10 years, Jack learned well from a true gentleman who civilly, rationally, and subtly negotiated with his friends and foes. In 1983, Jack partnered with Dick Harpootlian, who, for the next 10 years, consistently encouraged Jack to forget everything he had learned from Senator Lurie. Well, as we all know, they were wildly successful. And since 1992, Jack has run his own shop at 1720 Main Street while maintaining his status as the premier criminal trial lawyer in the Southeast. Jack's accomplishments and honors are amazing and certainly not limited to the practice of law. He has been honored by the state, the community, the bar, his school, and his synagogue. He has appeared on almost every national news media outlet as an expert. He has educated hundreds and hundreds of young lawyers at the law school and young lawyers who have clerked for him. Think about this. For the past 25 years, Jack has given his time to the medical school at university as an adjunct professor, to Bridge the Gap as the coordinator. He has hired and never fired over 100 student clerks. He has lectured at Leadership Columbia, and he has coordinated the criminal law update at the bar conference. All the while, Jack has been honored by our profession's highest legal honors, having been inducted into the International Academy of Trial Lawyers, the Academy of Trial Lawyers, the American College of Trial Lawyers, and the list goes on and on and on. All of these accomplishments pale, however, in comparison to his two greatest legacies, Brian and Stephanie. Brian, an attorney in New York City, and Stephanie, a producer at Sapling Pictures, were encouraged by Erica and Jack to travel, to learn, and to ask questions. Is it any wonder that they are now successful in their fields? In sports, commentators often refer to a coaching tree. It is a term used to describe the disciples of coaches that learned under a particular mentor. Jack has a forest of trees. Thank you, Jack.